Hi, this is Walter Stark, and this is Stark Talk. And the subject today, for a change, is something I've gotten lots of calls about and asked how come I neither blog on it nor video blog. So we're going to discuss something that is one of your most hated subjects. It's called insurance, whether it's on you personally, your possessions, or your life, or your health. I think probably the most discussed at this point. Certainly you can't turn on a news show without hearing something about it once a week at least, is healthcare. And if nothing more, what you notice with your family or your single budget is how today, compared to 5 years ago, you're paying so much more. And each year it seems to be going up higher. Excuse me. Well, the situation really is very simple. The insurance companies are making a great deal of money just as they report. But unfortunately, we who are the ones with the insurance are costing more and more each year, leaving the company a shrunken profit if they did not want to increase their rates. Well, they're owned by stockholders like you and I, and they're looking for dividends. So what does the company do? If they see that they're being squeezed with profit, they have to look somewhere, so they look to us. The issue is really that they are able to buy on a wholesale basis by contracting doctors, most of whom you've heard complain about how little they're paid. And whenever you have treatment, you'll notice you receive an explanation of benefits, and on it you see an amount of claim requested, and you see the amount paid, and you say to yourself, I can't believe this. It's only 25% or 30% at best of what they charge. And you're very happy if in the final column on that explanation of benefits it doesn't say you owe and give you an amount of money that you have to go into your pocket for. And of course that's after you've had a deductible and after you've had a co-insurance payment. What's going to happen more and more that you may have started to notice is that drugs, which are maintenance drugs and cost so much of the total amount of claim premiums, are going to be limited in what you can get. It's already limited under something the companies call their formulary, which means if your drug happens to be on that list, it's fine. Also, you'll notice that they want to substitute generic wherever possible, and so if you write down or your prescription reads fill as written, it means you are going to be charged the difference between generic and brand in very many policies. Is that going to improve? Absolutely not. As a matter of fact, it's going to worsen. And the reason is that since the federal government put in the Medicare plan for retirees covered by many companies and everyone who is under Medicare 65 and over, the Medicare people have decided what is and what is not a proper drug to be in the program. As they remove it, the insurance companies are following suit and taking it from their formularies as well. We'll come back to this topic again later in the week. And I hope that you, if you're interested, will look for some of this on my blog on blogster.com. Search for Walter Stark. Meanwhile, thanks for watching Stark Talk again. I'm Walter Stark, and we'll see you soon.